Hi. Well, today we're going to cover a tip on what to do if you're making cording and your hook comes out. So say you're making cording and you put too much pressure on the threads that you're making your cording and your hook comes out. What do you do? Well, this here is called a chuck. And the chuck is actually a pressuring device that holds down these two pressuring pieces inside of there. So what we're going to do, we're going to make sure the chuck's on, and then we're going to stick the hook back in there, and we're going to twist it down and keep pushing the hook down flush to the top of the chuck, and then keep tightening and keep pushing, tighten and push. And when you come to the end where it can't be pushed anymore, you take a pair of pliers and you grab hold and you make sure that the handle doesn't turn, because see, that handle's going to turn like that. So you put your hand like this, hold that, and then you just tighten it. And that should hold your chuck.